Hey there, YouTube. We're back again tonight because we're going to do a little bit of coverage here on this hurricane. Yeah, we'll screw that one up. I'm not going to edit that out. The Hurricane Dorian. It's 8:30, 10:29 p.m. Am I missing something here, or like, where's the hurricane? Interesting. Nothing else showing up at that. Am I just... Alright, hang on. What am I not seeing here? I don't see it. Okay guys, well I just thought I'd post this. It's 10:30 at night on 8/30, 2019. This is a recording of Hurricane Dorian hitting for, supposedly for YouTube, or not YouTube, for Florida, but I don't see it. Okay, anyways, have a good night. Please like, subscribe, and share.